Hello everyone, my name is Hilary Chin. Thank you all so much for coming and watching my YouTube channel. Please remember to go down below and click that button there where it takes you to our WhatsApp group, and also there are other videos there, especially videos to talk about the onpassive product and also how to use Omail. Please, I still emphasize, start using Onet. It's very important. I'll be saying this in every video and I'll start teaching videos on Onet. But today I want to talk about the concept CATMO. This is one of the most powerful concepts that I think onpassive has brought out. And every founder, share this video, every founder and affiliate must have an understanding of this concept. I have said this many times. You don't have to be commission oriented. Please, we are not saying this because we are just saying it. Onpassive is not a consumers oriented company. Okay, it's an entrepreneur oriented company. It's a building oriented company. It's a visionary company. You must understand that. So when you come in with a consumer's mindset, guys, you are going to miss it, to be honest. And I've said this. One of the things you must understand is that we have products, and these products is what we are going to be selling. This is how genuine companies are built. And if you have products, they are not built in one day. They are not built in 1 month. They are not built in 1 year. And as you build this product, if you are a good businessman, you are going to be conscious about other products, how they look, how you want to stand out. These are the comparison. Are you getting me? It's very important. So please don't rush. One brother, I think he wrote me through WhatsApp and was saying that, Hilary, I need commission. All these things you do, I just need commission. And I'm just praying for him because he's already out of it, everything. And as we are moving further, you must understand that onpassive is going to be creating a lot of employment across the globe. And one of the first people that onpassive has given that opportunity to are founders. So that's why I've emphasized, wherever you are, I don't care your age, whether you're 70 years, 80 years, 90 years, spend time to understand this product. The millions of people that you and I are waiting to come into the onpassive space, these people are going to be coming through you and I, and they're going to be asking you one question: how does your product work? Wherever you are, we are 1 million plus. They are going to be asking you, how does this work? Many people have reached out to me, Hilary, how does this work? All I do is I send them my YouTube video and say, check this out. Sometimes when they look at it, they want to get more information. We talk one-on-one and I explain. Because it's going to be so embarrassing, guys, when you start having a lot of money and you don't even understand your product. I'm telling you, money is just paper. Get used to that. Money is paper. Money is just notes. They can burn anytime, they can finish anytime, but knowledge is wealth. Knowledge is something that it stays, it remains. That is why we must spend the time. We must thank God that onpassive is taking their time, and then we spend this time to learn. Keep learning, understanding. What is Omail? What is Onet? How does it work? What is O-Tracker? How does it work? Okay, we have this different product. I'm a founder. Okay, as a founder, how does this work? How can I use this for my own business? Okay, how can I use this for somebody's business? Especially O-Tracker. O-Connect is very important. So we must learn these things, start learning, start mastering them. It's very important. That is why I'll be talking about this concept of CATMO. And CATMO is amazing. CATMO, the spelling here is CATMO. And the first 2 letters, CA, the CA stands for complete system. Let me explain the CATMO to you. Yes, guys, this is what I call the onpassive plan of action. It's very, very important, and this term I think is one of the most powerful terms that I've seen within the onpassive space. CATMO is very important. Now the car, I put it in blue because this is the focus for now, and this is something every founder must understand. It still boils down to what I used to say. you must understand, because the C and A are very important. We'll be seeing it as we move further, and then I'll explain it to you so you understand the mind and the vision of onpassive. So if I move to the next, we start with the C. It says complete system. Complete system. What do you understand by complete system? We have products. We cannot rush to the market when we have not completed the system, and what we are building is too huge. Yes, when you are building a camion, it's different from a small sport car. That is why a camion has a different price compared to a sport car. That is why a camion takes long compared to a sport car. So onpassive is at the level of car, CA, where they are trying to build a complete system. They cannot give you half system. If they give us half system and we move in 5 years, we are going to blame them more, and we all are going to fall in a small hole or a big hole. So we have experts who can assess the system and say, okay, this system now is complete, let's launch. So we are rushing to get a half system. The onpassive want to give us what they promise, complete system. So that is where they are. The second thing is automation. Automation here is the AI version, the AI part of it. Remember that everything will be happening automatically. If you look at our email, there are emails that you can just talk and they captures your voice and writes for you. I'll be doing that in another video. That's the automation. And within the onpassive system, there are so many things that are going to be happening without you clicking a thing. Okay, without you clicking a thing, so many things are going to be happening. So they are now at the level of completing the system and then making it automatic, bringing the AI part of it. So that's where they are now, and we can see some glimpse of it. We can see O Connect. We can see there are some glimpse of it. Okay, so other products are in the process of completion. They want to complete it. They want to make the system a whole and then provide it to the public. It's very important. So you have to be patient. The next thing is targeted traffic. This is something that they are still telling us to wait. People are rushing commission. If a system is not complete, they cannot do a targeted traffic. We have products that we are building, and people are going to be buying this product based on the quality of the product. So when we complete the system, let's go back there. When we complete the system and then the products are now usable, they are now quality, the way onpassive wants to design it, then we are going to move here now. Why they are buying and then they are sharing those traffic. It can take a long time, but that is not our focus. Our focus is that these two aspects should be very, very complete. Complete our system, make it automated, and then we can get to this level of targeted traffic. Okay, that is where now we move now to more money coming in. Okay, so these two systems, targeted traffic and money, we are not there yet. And if we miss it at the level of completing the system, miss it at the level of automation, then we'll be wasting our time here. That is why people have jumped the complete system, jumped the automation. They are rushing to get targeted traffic. They are rushing to get money. Are you seeing now? That is where I'm telling people to be patient and stay calm. Stay calm, guys. Stay calm. This targeted traffic and money is no issue. It's not big issue. If we miss it out here, complete system and automation, this is going to be a big issue. Are you getting now? So where every company takes time is completing their system, making it quality, and then creating their automation, because we are in the AI era. Are you getting now? And then this one will be few. We can take 1 month to do magic in terms of traffic. We can take 1 month to make trillions, billions, if the product have gone through a proper complete system and a proper automation. So this is something you must understand. I'm happy with this word. I'm very happy with this word. It's CATMO. I think this is more clearer now for many people who are still rushing money. We must get it right at the CAT. That is why it is taking time. And we prefer to stay there for many years and bring the product out. And then once we get into targeted traffic and money, there will be no stress. Take note of that. If we don't get it right at the level of complete system and at the level of automation, if we come here, we'll be wasting our time. People are going to be asking, what is this? What is this product? What is this? What was this? Are you getting now? And then we'll find ourselves even more frustrated. So guys, give the team time to do their job. Thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful, guys, and please make sure that you follow this step by step and make sure that you are patient and keep learning, guys. Keep learning, and please don't forget to support our channel whichever way you can. The badges option are there, the membership option is there, and so many other ways that you can support. We look forward to bringing you other videos. Stay blessed wherever you are, and we pray for all those who are sick and that God should restore their health, and also those who are going through one challenge or the other. Thank you all, guys. I'm really excited. Thank you for being part of this community. And please, if there's anything that you think that we are doing that is not correct, please write it down below so we can be able to adjust. We are learning to be accountable to those that we are sharing our content to. Stay blessed, guys. See you soon.